Kerechiingi ntutu minista wa ukaria wa ndani na mibango ya thirikari Profesa Kithure Kindiki natariritie montu maria RWANG'I ruthite kiri ntuku igana utongoria ni Kindiki na ugite ni mumitie muno kurwa na mbithukiro cia maitha amba na nkinyagia amaramari mangi. Anthony Kadenya na gututariria.
Marking 100 days since I assumed office as Cabinet Secretary for Interior and National Administration.
Kile ntuku igana rimwe ja urutingugi bwa waziri wa wikaria Profesa Kithure Kindiki arigo BCN umbite kuleta mogaruruku 10 mogaruruku mena kiguni kienene kirekari bande no.
I reckon that it has been a challenging but fulfilling 100 days, although remarkably contrasted with my significantly predictable past 2 decades which I spent in academia, legal practice and the legislature.
Boambele Kindiki nilithite ati ni kuthondeketwe kanjo ya mwanya ya kuleta ugaruruku kirutingugi bwa polisi.
That task force was gazetted by His Excellency the President on 21st of December 2022. Its work is ongoing.
Bwajire Kindiki nilithite ati kiri ntuku ino igana rimwe ni kuthondeketwe academy njeru ya kuthomithania utongeria no urutingugi bwa polisi.
The Police Leadership Academy, which sits on 100 acres in Ngong, that academy will be used to inculcate command doctrines for our rejuvenated National Police Service, so that from there we can grow new, more dynamic, younger commanders who are conversant with modern day policing complexities.
Bwaka thatu Kindiki ariuga natigirite kwina waki bwa thibitari nkorani jia polisi ile ya Kenya Police, ntereja Bagathi, Kenya Prisons, ntereja Roiro, amuna Border Police, ntereja Kitui.
We have managed to accelerate the construction of the National Police Hospital at Bagathi. Still not complete, but we've made some good progress. The Kenya Prisons Hospital in Roiro, very good progress, almost complete. And we have completed and equipped the Border Police Hospital in Kanyonyo, Kitui County, which will be opened by His Excellency the President on 24th of February 2023. Number 4.
Bwaka na kulingana Kindiki ni kurugurua kwa mutaratara wa kunenkana passport gwetukira mutandao. Bwaga tano kulingana waziri Profesa Kithure Kindiki ni kuambelwa kwa mutaratara wa kuandikithia na balaba kujiarwa na ntu balaba gukua gwetukira mutandao ojo.
As I have said, this program will be launched on 1st of March 2023.
Bwaka thandatu ni kurugurua kwa mutaratara mujero wa UPI kana Unique Personal Identifier kenda kunenkerana namba kagitakala bajiarwa ya gutumira sukuru na ila nyumani igatumirwa kire kibande. Mutaratara ojo kibijagogu paka kiruguria bwa ibande bijero.
Initiated the policy framework for the introduction of a unique personal identifier at birth for all newborns. Number 8, we have initiated the policy framework for introduction of the 3rd generation smart digital ID.
Waziri ojo wikaria Profesa Kithure Kindiki akerithagia tikire ntuku ino igana rimwe o BCN umbite gutigira wikaria bugocokera ambuji muneno Nairobi. Amwe no Kindiki nilithia thirikari igatigira wamba bwanya mujiandithia bukinya muthia.
Urban crime, especially the Nairobi muggings that had threatened to disrupt our way of life and businesses in our capital city in the September-October season, has now been contained. We have stepped up the fight against the threat of terror. We have disrupted many terror plots at source. While this is good news, we intend to work so hard to ensure that we bring these crime statistics even further down.
Kuma muji muneno Nairobi, mbita Anthony Rangi wa Kadenya.